For the mining and surveying sectors, the demand for accurate, up-to-date site data has never been higher, yet the methods used to capture that data often haven't kept pace. Traditional drone survey operations rely on a pilot traveling to site, manually planning and flying each mission, landing the aircraft, physically offloading the memory card, transferring files to a workstation, and only then beginning the processing workflow. Every step introduces delay, cost, human error, and safety exposure, and repeating a survey on a weekly or daily basis simply isn't practical. At SSASS Holdings, we've solved this. By integrating three best-in-class technologies, the DJI Dock, the FlytBase Enterprise platform, and Pix4D Cloud, we've built a fully automated, end-to-end survey workflow. From flight planning to process deliverables, the entire cycle runs remotely, repeatably, and without a pilot ever setting foot on site. The result? Survey missions that once took days can now be scheduled to run automatically, delivering orthomosaics, 3D point clouds, and volumetric data to your team on demand. For mining operations tracking stockpile volumes, monitoring pit progression, or managing tailings, and for surveyors seeking to scale their output without scaling their headcount, this is a transformational leap in productivity. Let's walk through how it works. Within the FlytBase Enterprise platform, survey flight missions are planned and configured once, defining the survey area, flight altitude, image overlap, and capture parameters required for high-quality photogrammetry. Because these missions are saved and automated, they can be scheduled to repeat at whatever frequency your site demands, ensuring consistent, comparable data every single time. Next is execution. At the scheduled time, FlytBase autonomously commands the DJI Dock to launch the drone and execute the flight mission. The aircraft captures the survey imagery precisely according to plan, then returns to the dock to land and recharge, all without any human intervention on site. Flight execution and data capture happen hands-free and on schedule. Once the mission is complete, we move to data consolidation. The imagery captured during the flight is automatically downloaded from the drone, through the DJI Dock, and into the FlytBase platform. No memory cards, no manual transfers, no site visits. The data is consolidated and ready for the next stage the moment the drone touches down. With the imagery consolidated, FlytBase moves into data preparation, organizing and packaging the captured dataset so that it's ready for seamless export to Pix4D Cloud for processing. This ensures the imagery arrives at Pix4D Cloud correctly structured and complete. This brings us to one of the most powerful components of the entire workflow, data export, powered by FlytBase's Flinks feature. Flinks creates a direct, automated bridge between FlytBase and Pix4D Cloud, transferring the captured images straight from the platform into Pix4D Cloud for processing. There's no downloading to a local machine and re-uploading. The data flows automatically from capture to cloud, closing the gap that slows down every legacy workflow. Now the imagery is processed in Pix4D Cloud. The transferred data is automatically processed into professional survey deliverables, high-resolution orthomosaics, detailed 3D point clouds, digital surface models, and volumetric measurements. Pix4D's industry-leading photogrammetry engine turns raw imagery into the precise, measurable outputs that mining and survey professionals depend on. Finally, collaboration. Within Pix4D Cloud, the process results are shared directly with stakeholders, engineers, surveyors, site managers, and clients, who can view, measure, and annotate the data from anywhere, on any device, simply through a web browser. No large file transfers, no specialist software required at the viewing end. Insights reach decision-makers faster, so action can be taken sooner. And there you have it, a complete automated survey pipeline. From planning and autonomous execution, through data consolidation, preparation, and seamless export via Flinks, into photogrammetry processing and stakeholder collaboration, all running with minimal human intervention, on a repeatable schedule, at a fraction of the time and cost of traditional methods. For the mining and surveying industries, this means safer operations, dramatically improved productivity, and a continuous stream of accurate, actionable site data. Legacy drone survey methods simply cannot compete with a solution that flies itself, processes itself, and delivers results automatically. This workflow isn't a concept, it's a proven, real-world solution that SSASS Holdings has tested and validated end-to-end. As specialists in turnkey DJI Dock deployments, a proven FlytBase Enterprise integration partner, and the exclusive reseller of Pix4D software solutions across sub-Saharan Africa, SSASS Holdings is uniquely positioned to bring this capability to your operation. We handle everything: supply, implementation, training, and ongoing support. Ready to transform your survey operations? Contact SSASS Holdings today, and let our team design and deliver a turnkey automated drone survey solution tailored to your site.